Not sure how to find the best child custody lawyer in Minnesota? Keep watching for the tips you need for an effective search. This child custody lawyer guide can help you narrow down your selection without additional stress. Relevant case experience. To find the best child custody lawyer in Minnesota, turn to friends and family members. Speak to anyone you know who was involved in a child custody case in the past. Otherwise, speak to someone who hired a lawyer that specializes in family law for another purpose. Determine if the attorneys at the law firm take on child custody cases as well. Child custody situations are a branch of family law. Prioritize finding an attorney who specializes in family law and child custody. Determine how long the attorney has practiced in Minnesota and how long they've specialized in child custody cases. Determine if they have case experience relevant to your situation too. Finally, ask the attorney if they've taken on cases similar to your own, and consider asking about the outcome for cases that reflect yours as well. Knowledge of jurisdiction laws. Once you find a child custody lawyer with years of relevant case experience, determine how long they've practiced in Minnesota. It's equally important to find a child custody attorney with knowledge of jurisdiction laws. If they're new to practicing locally, keep searching. Every state has different child custody laws, regulations, and procedures. Your attorney should have thorough knowledge of the jurisdiction laws within Minnesota. Otherwise, they might make a costly mistake while handling your case. Remember, there might be special circumstances to your case, such as an interstate element. In these cases, make sure the attorney has knowledge of both jurisdictions involved in the case. Finding a lawyer with years of local experience can also ensure their accessibility. A strong reputation. Look for client testimonials for each attorney on your list. Try to find a lawyer who already has a strong, telling reputation in the area. Their reputation can speak to their ability to represent your best interests. Keep an eye out for negative comments about their accessibility, professionalism, and track records. Make sure the lawyer doesn't have a disciplinary record, too. Accessibility. As you begin narrowing down your list of attorneys, consider their accessibility. Consider asking the attorney how many cases they're currently involved in. If they're juggling too many cases at once, they may not make time for your case. If the lawyer isn't local, you could also have a difficult time meeting them in person. Finding a local attorney can make vetting them easier as well. For example, you might feel more comfortable choosing an attorney a friend or family member has recommended. Local attorneys have likely established relationships with courthouse staff, other lawyers, and judges in the area. These connections could prove beneficial to your case. Schedule a consultation. Schedule a consultation appointment with a few attorneys on your list. Discuss the details of your child custody case and outline your goals. Then ask each lawyer about their legal strategy. During the appointment, pay close attention to how the lawyer communicates and holds themselves. If they interrupt you during the meeting, they're likely not paying attention to your needs. If they struggle to get their point across, they might struggle to speak on your behalf when fighting for custody too. Review your notes to choose the best child custody lawyer based on your needs. You don't have to fight alone. We're here to fight by your side. Schedule a consultation with one of our lawyers today.